So Luke just got a really cool holder for his bike where you can actually film YouTube videos when he's biking, and we're installing it right now.
Cool, man. Cool.
Thin, medium, thicker. I guess these ones are for like,
These are street
like street.
representative of our souls of a thin, wispy.
I didn't think you were gonna say souls.
Immoral.
I didn't think you were gonna say souls either. No, yours are definitely for off-roading.
This represents my thin, wispy, immoral soul. Steve's thick, thick, good willpower, solid, good morals, and then Jeff is a combination of both of us.
It works.
It'll be funny when you if you like crash your bike because you're looking down to see how you look.
And then it's like, this is,
Oh, it looks so cool right now.
no, and then this video goes to live leak because I end up dying. My bicycle dies.
Live leak.
Mount camera live leak. Just for Jeff Jaipu's viewers, please do not visit Live Leak. And me just saying that, it's going to make you actually visit it. I know, because usually people do the opposite of what they're told. But don't go to Live Leak. Take my word for it. It's bad. It's real bad.
You heard it. Don't go there. Hey Luke, can you hold on to my camera and film me for a second?
Filming right now?
Yeah.
So Jeff is biking, and he's up on his bike, and something fell out of his bike. And there's Jeff doing some crazy moves. And we're on Douglas.
I was looking at Steve, I thought that you dropped my camera.
No.
I didn't realize that it was Steve back there.
No. But you ran over something.
Oh, I ran over something?
Yeah, some white plastic.
Oh shit.
I think, yeah. So.
Oh, maybe I like stepped on it when I...
So we're still vlogging, and we're all into YouTube now, as you can see.
Oh, this is for my reflector.
So Jeff, his reflector has dislodged itself from his bicycle, and he's just trying to figure out what to do with it.
I'll save this. Well, it's actually garbage.
And
a new reflector will have
Steve had the quick draw, or quick understanding to see the piece of plastic.
Yeah,
Gotta think fast.
And I heard it and I saw it, but Steve's the one who had the good, thick morals to, to do something.
I looked back and all I could see was somebody picking something up off the ground, and I just like, oh, Luke caught my camera. Alright, so we're gonna cross the road here, go on a little adventure. We're on the alpha pose. Take up as much room as possible. Yo, dude, you're just on plywood, man. Dude, I wouldn't go. It's supported, but it's still in construction, so it's a little bit iffy. I'm gonna walk out on this a little bit. Living dangerously.
Plywood though.
It is, but it's supported pretty good underneath there. It feels really intense walking on this. It's funny if you look back at our bikes were gone. Woo! Pretty far.
Oh shit, that is really far.
Just bend your knees when you absorb the impact.
Yeah. Hill break.
Oh, just in case this thing breaks through with all the weight on it.
Why would you hold on to these things? Yeah, no. Just bend,
Yeah, that's definitely gonna do. Exactly. I thought you ripped one out. I was like, what?